There we are. Right. Question 4, the series question. Find the sum as r goes from 1 to n. So that's the first thing to check, isn't it? Is it just a standard one with 1 and n there? Because you've got to be a bit careful in case to throw in a 2n or a different start point. Expressing your answer in a fully factorised form. And a couple of people in my class, when we did one like this in the mock, did brilliantly until the last moment where they multiplied everything out, having factorised it, forgetting that they want it in a fully factorised form as your final step. So this is going to be, well, let's work our way through it, r cubed minus 3r, if you multiply out that bracket. So now we can split up the sigma. This is sigma r cubed minus 3 times sigma r, one of which is on the formula booklet. That is a quarter n squared n plus 1 squared. And the other one isn't, so this is going to be minus 3 over 2 n plus 1. And actually most of the marks are for getting to that point, really. You get quite a few marks just for getting there. This is 6 marks, it's crazy, isn't it? So we now think, can we take out a common factor, or do we have lots of common factors? We need to deal with the numbers. Now a quarter and 3 over 2 can both be written as quarters, can't they? So that's the thing to pull to the front of our bracket. N appears in both terms and n plus 1 appears in both terms. So we'll take that out as our first factor. Which leaves us here, well, we've got the quarter. We need another n to make it the n squared. We need another n plus 1. And then this bit here, well, we've got the n and the n plus 1 sorted. So what do you multiply a quarter by to get 1.5? 6. So we've got 6 in there. Which gives us a quarter n plus 1, n squared plus n minus 6. Now the question did say in fully factorised form, so we are going to check that there's not anything more we can do with that. Well, n squared plus n minus 6, that's minus 2 and plus 3, isn't it? Fully factorised form. There we are. You've got to say, 6 marks. We'll take that, won't we? Okay, easy to make mistakes, but they're great questions for picking up marks if you want to ball with them. Cool. Right.
And that's maths.
And that's maths.